Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to use ChatGPT for quick meal ideas. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. You will find here Introducing ChatGPT. Please open this link. Now click on Try ChatGPT. To use ChatGPT for quick meal ideas, you can ask for recipes or suggestions based on specific criteria like ingredients or meal type or dietary preference. Here is a guide on how to ask effectively along with example prompts to help you get the best ideas. So, let's go. Number 1. Using specific ingredients. Example, can you suggest a quick meal idea using chicken, Spanish and pasta? You will get your answer. Based on meal type. Example, can you give me a quick Italian-inspired dinner idea? Here is your answer. Number 3. You can ask for specific diets or restrictions. Example, could you suggest some vegetarian dinner ideas that take under 20 minutes to prepare? Here is your beautiful answer. Number 4. Using leftovers or limited ingredients. Example, I have leftover rice, beans, and some bell peppers. Any ideas for quick meal? That's it. By providing this level of details, ChatGPT can offer quick meal ideas that are easy, practical, and tailored to your needs, making it a helpful resource for last-minute cooking inspiration. So this is how to use ChatGPT for quick meal ideas. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.